Cannabis has the power to cure over 50 diseases, and the medical cannabis industry is growing exponentially. Have you ever thought about getting into the cannabis industry, but have backed away due to it being forbidden in your country or the complexity of the industry? If yes, then we have the perfect solution for you. We are a Switzerland-based research and production company with our own growing operations of over 10,000 cannabis plants and are in the process of building even more facilities in Switzerland and the United Kingdom. So how does this help you? Introducing CannerGrow, a revolutionary blockchain-based cannabis eco-farming platform. With our platform, you can actually own physical plants on our plantation and get paid the profits in the actual world. Here's how it works. CannerGrow uses an ERC20-based token contract for the revolutionary cannabis eco-farming platform. Once you register on our website, you can buy tokens during one of our token sales using fiat currency and cryptocurrencies. You will be able to buy our tokens, which are backed by real plants. One plant is worth 100 tokens, which means you'll be able to own your own cannabis plant within a few clicks. The plants that you get with your tokens are backed by real-world plants that we have in our plantations, and you get paid real money from these real plants. The cannabis plants are harvested every 2 to 3 months. For each plant in your portfolio, you get an overwhelming 50% of the entire profit generated by your plant. The more plants you own, the more profit you can make. Our in-depth research and top-tier partner enable us to produce high-quality cannabis using 30% less water and 35% less energy as compared to average facilities. Our expertise results in an even better return on your investments and the best possible medical cannabis. With our stable and unique ecosystem, which is all backed by real-world value in the form of cannabis plants generating real profits, CannerGrow is your way into the medical cannabis industry. Forget the legalities, research, and physical labor of cannabis farming. Join CannerGrow today and start reaping profits of your own plants.